2 o'clock in the morning, Tsukiji Fish Market. Hiro-san.
So we are going to Sushi Zenmai.
Sushi Zenmai. This place is open 24 hours. I always see this guy kind of look like you. Hiro, take a look. Stand next to him. Could be your brother, right? And Hiro-san, I hear they have a California roll here.
I don't know yet. I didn't know.
You didn't know that, right?
Oh, look at this. They have something inside that roll.
Oh, inside that roll, yeah. Okay.
So, yeah, could be.
All right. Well, we'll get to check it out. Hiro-san, what do you say?
Sure. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
まあ、これアメリカから来てて、珍しくて。
これアメリカないですか？アメリカこれあるんじゃないですか？
ありますけど、
はい。
ぜひこっちで食べたい。
もっと豪華なやつ。本場で。YouTube ですか？
最後にこれを。
Yeah, YouTube.
YouTube.
YouTuber. He doesn't know. You had to tell him. YouTuber.
私もこれと同じようなことやってるんですけど、同じことやってるんですけど、向こうで。
あ、そうなんですか。寿司屋さんですか。
寿司屋はもうやってないんですけど、
はい。
もうYouTube だけですけど、
はい。
タイムで。
あ、そうなんですか。
はい。
It's only half a roll, not a full roll. That's it. Interesting, right here. Good?
Yeah,
Okay. Nice. All right, Hiro-san. Well, we're going to be back in the studio. You're going to try and recreate it.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you.
Yes, and also Happy New Year 2023.
What a great time you had last year. We did so many places, so many travel. You took 31 flights around the whole world, huh?
Yes.
Japan, you went to see your mother. I think that was a highlight of the trip.
Yes, Japan was a highlight. Also, we went to Spain, Boston, Chicago, Faroe Island, so many places.
California many times. Today is about what you actually got done in Kochi, Japan. You met the governor of Kochi Prefecture.
Yes.
This is what they gave you. What does it say?
This is actually they gave me the this is kind of certificate of the tourism ambassador.
Directly from the governor of Kochi,
Yes.
right?
This is my name, of course, and here's his name, Hamada.
Okay.
Hamada.
Very, very nice.
Yes.
So if any of you are going to Kochi anytime soon, Hiro has a special card that he can give you. You can visit 20 places without paying. Just let us know. We'll send this card out to you. I'm going to show you this right here. These are the 20 places that you can visit. And big surprise coming next year, possibly multiple trips to Kochi, right? So you guys stay tuned.
Yeah, if you guys planning to go to the Kochi, let me know. Okay. So I'm gonna send it to you. This is my business card.
And next year, the couple, like I said, right now I can tell you as much as this is 2 trips are planned back to Kochi. Looking at taking some of you who want to travel all the way and have Hiro-san as a guest host. While we were in Japan in the Tsukiji Fish Market, Sushi Zenmai, one of my favorite places to eat there. Amazing place. They had on the menu California roll. When I saw this, I'm like, let's order that, right? So we ordered it. The chef made it.
That was a big surprise. I think in 2019, I haven't seen.
We didn't see it last time, right?
Guess, but this time I saw the California roll,
right.
and we actually tried.
So now we're going to recreate that with ingredients that we purchased earlier. And we have a very special guest all the way from Seattle, Washington. Drum roll, please.
Edna,
Thank you so much. Good afternoon. Now, we didn't tell her to say that. You said that on your own.
Yes.
But thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
Edna's one of our biggest supporters. She supports us on Patreon and also just a big part of the channel, always commenting on Instagram, and had an opportunity to come here and visit Hiro and myself. And it's been a pleasure kind of taking her around and some of the finer restaurants in Miami. It's been a pleasure, and you're leaving tomorrow.
Yes, I am.
And then you're going to be going to Japan.
I am going to Japan next week.
Wow, amazing. And then to Thailand and the Philippines.
Yes.
So amazing. Thank you so much for, of course, supporting the channel and being part of it. We can't wait to have Hiro make a roll, the Japanese California roll, and see what you think. Okay?
Sure.
All right?
All right.
So we'll see you in just a little bit.
Sure.
Okay, Hiro-san, let's talk about the ingredients.
Yes. So this California roll is a little bit different than which you see in the California roll here, US. Okay. So actually, they are put into inside of the roll, avocado and cucumber and egg omelets.
Okay.
Inside, and then after that, they put the masago all around. Then sliced cucumber on each piece of the roll. Then they put the steamed shrimp
Okay.
with the mayonnaise.
Right.
Yeah, that's how they made the California.
Right.
So I'm going to follow their recipe.
Okay.
Okay. So first I'm gonna slice up a cucumber. This cucumber is gonna be the top of the roll. I'm gonna slice 8 pieces. I just need only 2 pieces here. Okay. Avocado. So this is the first video since after coming back from Japan, actually. Of course, in this year, you know.
Today is January the 4th, 2023. By the time you see this, it may be sometime later in the month or even early February. We're not sure, but nonetheless, yeah, it's been a while. First video for 2023.
Starting with California roll.
The roll that made sushi the most famous, right?
Yes.
So popular.
So this one doesn't have a crab stick,
Yeah.
right?
Said that we use egg.
But instead of crab stick, this has a steamed shrimp on top. So, okay. I think they put a little bit of mayonnaise inside too. And today I'm gonna put the masago all around. Okay,
Yep.
so first I wanna cut into the half. Then I need to put the masago just like they was doing this way. The only thing in the restaurant, of course, when you do this, I recommend it to use another cutting board. So this one's sticking so bad.
Oh, that's true.
It's very hard to take it off.
Right.
So in the restaurant, better use another cutting board.
Okay.
That's what I recommend.
Your roll looks so neat, Hiro.
Hmm?
Your roll looks so neat.
Yeah. Is it better? Better than?
Much better, Hiro.
Better than? Yeah. Okay.
We're gonna send it back.
Nice to hear that.
Well, the chef, Hiro, the chef in Sushi Zenmai, we told him about this, and he gave me a business card, so he's going to be in the video. Maybe he'll see it. And if he's watching, Hiro, what do you want to say to him if that chef is watching?
Oh, so I'll be back soon.
In Japanese, oh. Say something to him in Japanese.
Oh, I mean, what I'm gonna say is I need a job.
Yeah, they speak Japanese.
仕事ください。Their shrimp is actually they're cutting into the maybe half, you know.
Yeah, they kind of
Yeah,
small
I
pieces.
just put in the whole shrimp, but it's a little bit different. And actually, they was doing the mayonnaise all over.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And that's it, huh?
Like that.
Wow. Let me tell you what, that looks really, really good. Can't wait to try it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and stick around for the tasting. The Japanese California roll. Thank you so much, Hiro.
Thank you very much.
See you soon.
See you next time.
All right, here we go to the tasting part, the Japanese California roll. And again, we have Edna here all the way from Seattle, Washington. Thank you so much again for being here, spending a little time with us. Hiro-san, are you ready to see? Did you make it better than the sushi chefs or that Sushi Zenmai?
I hope so.
Okay.
Sushi's on my style.
Sushi Zenmai style. Okay, let's go. Enjoy.
Yes. So,
Finally, we get
yes,
Edna,
please.
who's been such a big part of our channel, to come out here and do a tasting, right? Definitely an honor. Maybe your fingers.
Yeah, my fingers.
It's kind of a big bite too.
It is. I'm gonna have to do it this way.
It's okay.
Oishi.
Oishi, oishi.
Okay. My turn. Let's go.
Hiro, say something to the Japanese chef who made it for you.
Exactly. No. I'm gonna say exactly same taste. 同じ味ですね。But
ありがとう
I
ござい
think
ます。
cucumber is very. This is cucumber is American, so
Okay. And they have Japanese cucumbers?
yeah.
All right. Let's take a look. Wow.
So instead of the crab stick, this one has a steamed shrimp. So
The mayonnaise changes everything, of course. With the shrimp and the cucumber, very, very fresh taste. I really like that combo. And of course, the cucumber gives it that freshness of a very fresh roll. And the avocado. A winner in my book. Well, again, thank you so much, Edna, for being here.
Thank you.
Hope to see you again very soon. Hiro-san, can't wait to share the rest of the videos from
Yeah.
Japan.
still more contents coming.
Yep. And of course, Happy New Year.
Oh yeah, Happy New Year again, 2023.
Yes. See you guys soon.